Hello, my friend. Welcome back. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy. Today is a good day to learn English together.
Today, we talk about daily habits. Daily habits. Things you do every day.
Every day, morning, afternoon, evening, night. The same things again and again.
Many people feel shy. They want to talk about their life, but they do not know the words.
Maybe you want to say, I wake up early, or I drink tea, or I go to work.
But your mind feels empty. Your mouth feels closed. This is normal.
Yes, very normal. Many learners feel this way.
Today, we help you. Slowly, calmly, kindly.
Short sentences, easy words, many repeats.
You can do this. You can speak English.
Let us start with a small problem.
Imagine this. Someone asks you, what do you do every day?
Simple question, but your heart beats fast.
You think, I know this, but I cannot say it.
Your daily life is simple, but English feels hard.
Today, English will feel soft, like a friend.
Yes, like a friend who walks with you.
Let us begin. Daily habits. Daily habits are things you do every day.
For example, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast.
These are daily habits. Again, daily habits.
Say it with me. Daily habits.
Daily habits.
Good, very good.
Now we start with the morning. Morning habits.
The first habit is wake up.
Wake up. Wake up.
I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 6.
Wake up means you stop sleeping.
You open your eyes. You wake up.
Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
Again, I wake up.
I wake up.
Good.
You can add time. I wake up early. I wake up late.
Early means before. Late means after.
I wake up early. I wake up late.
Not this, I waking up, but this, I wake up.
Very important. I wake up.
Next habit, brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth in the morning.
Brush my teeth means clean your teeth.
Repeat, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Again, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Good.
Some people say, I brush teeth. This is not good.
Not this, I brush teeth, but this, I brush my teeth.
My teeth, your teeth, his teeth, her teeth.
Now next habit, I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Wash means clean with water.
Repeat. I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Very good.
Now, breakfast. Eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast means you eat food in the morning.
Repeat after me. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Again. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Good. You can add food. I eat bread. I eat eggs. I eat rice.
Simple words, simple life.
Now, drink. I drink tea. I drink coffee. I drink water.
Repeat, I drink water.
I drink water.
Good.
Let us make a small morning story.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink tea.
Listen again.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink tea.
Now, repeat slowly.
I wake up.
Pause. You say it. Very good, even if it is not perfect.
Perfect is not the goal. Speaking is the goal.
Now, after morning, we have daytime.
Daytime habits. Work, study, home.
First, go to work.
I go to work.
Go to work means you leave home and work.
Repeat, I go to work.
I go to work.
Some people say I am go to work, not this.
Not this, I am go to work, but this, I go to work.
Simple, I go to work.
If you study, you can say, I go to school.
Or I go to college.
Repeat, I go to school.
I go to school.
Now, work habits. I work.
I work in an office. I work at home.
Work means you do your job.
Repeat, I work.
I work.
Again, I work.
I work.
Good.
Study habits. I study English.
I study English every day.
Study means learn.
Repeat, I study English.
I study English.
Very good.
You can say, I study in the morning, or I study at night.
Now, lunch. Eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
Lunch is food in the middle of the day.
Repeat after me. I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
Again, I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
Good. After lunch, many people work again.
I work in the afternoon.
The afternoon is after lunch.
Repeat, in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Very good.
Now, evening habits.
Evening comes after day.
In the evening, many people go home.
I go home.
Repeat, I go home.
I go home.
Home is where you live.
In the evening, I relax.
Relax means rest, feel calm.
Repeat, I relax.
I relax.
You can relax by watching TV.
I watch TV.
Repeat, I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Watch means see with eyes.
Some people say, I see TV, not this.
Not this, I see TV, but this, I watch TV.
Very important. I watch TV.
Next habit, I read a book.
I read a book.
Repeat, I read a book.
I read a book.
Or I listen to music.
I listen to music.
Listen means hear carefully.
Repeat. I listen to music.
I listen to music.
Good. Now, night habits. At night, we eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Repeat. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Dinner is food at night.
After dinner, many people rest.
I rest.
Repeat, I rest.
I rest.
Rest means relax your body.
At night, we sleep.
I sleep.
Repeat. I sleep.
I sleep.
Sleep means you close your eyes and rest.
Now, full day again.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I sleep.
Listen again.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I sleep.
Now, repeat slowly.
You can pause and speak.
Very good. You are doing great.
Now we practice speaking together.
I will ask a question.
And Paul will answer.
Emily, what do you do every day?
I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I sleep.
Very clear. Very simple.
Now change person.
I ask you, what do you do every day?
Pause. You answer.
Even short answers are okay.
I wake up. I work. I sleep. This is okay.
English is not about long talk. It is about clear talk.
Now let us do a longer conversation.
Hello, Emily. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I drink tea.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I work, I eat lunch.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I go home, I relax, I watch TV.
What do you do at night?
At night, I eat dinner, I rest, I sleep.
Very nice, very easy.
Now, let us talk about common mistakes.
Mistake 1. I am wake up.
Not this, I am wake up.
But this, I wake up.
Simple present, I wake up.
Mistake 2. I brushing my teeth.
Not this, I brushing my teeth.
But this, I brush my teeth.
Again, I brush my teeth.
Mistake 3. I go to home.
Not this, I go to home.
But this, I go home.
No to with home. Before we say goodbye, let us slow down and practice a little more together.
Yes, slow practice helps your brain remember.
We will go one more time through a full, simple day.
Listen first, then repeat.
In the morning, I wake up.
In the morning, I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Very good.
Now the day.
In the day, I go to work.
In the day, I go to work.
I work.
I work.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
Good job.
Now the evening.
In the evening, I go home.
In the evening, I go home.
I relax.
I relax.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Or I read a book.
I read a book.
Both are good.
Now the night.
At night, I eat dinner.
At night, I eat dinner.
I rest.
I rest.
I sleep.
I sleep.
Perfect.
Now we change it a little.
Not my day, your day.
Think about your life.
Ask yourself.
What do I do in the morning?
You can say, I wake up late.
Or, I wake up early.
Both are okay.
What do you eat?
I eat rice. I eat bread. I eat fruit.
Simple words are strong words.
Now, one more short conversation.
Hello, Emily. What do you do every day?
Every day, I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Do you work all day?
Yes, I work in the afternoon too.
What do you do in the evening?
I go home. I relax. I listen to music.
What do you do at night?
I eat dinner and I sleep.
Very nice. Very clear.
Now you try.
I ask, you answer.
What do you do every day?
Pause now. Speak out loud.
Even one sentence is enough.
I work. That is okay.
I study. That is okay.
I stay at home. That is okay.
Do not be afraid.
Your English is growing.
Let us correct one more small mistake.
Some people say, I am sleep.
Not this. I am sleep.
But this, I sleep.
Sleep is the action.
I am sleeping is different. We do not need it now.
Keep it simple. I sleep.
Another mistake. I do breakfast.
Not this. I do breakfast.
But this, I eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast. Eat lunch. Eat dinner.
Very important.
One more mistake. I go office.
Not this, I go office.
But this. I go to the office.
Or simple, I go to work.
Easy is better.
Always choose easy English.
Now, final recap. Listen and feel calm.
Daily habits are things you do every day.
You wake up.
You eat.
You work or study.
You relax.
You sleep.
This is life.
And you can talk about your life in English.
Little by little.
Day by day.
Do not rush.
Do not compare.
Just continue.
We are happy you learned with us today.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your effort.
You are doing something good for yourself.
Keep practicing daily habits.
Talk about your day in English.
You can do this.
See you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye.